Okay, so this entire area here was completely packed with debris and dust, same with the squirrel cage, and as well as the evap coil up top. And all it was, what caused all this filth and all these problems was the air filters not being put in correctly. What's happening is when the blower's in, you try to get the air filter in, you're only getting it in to about right here. But then that leaves a big gap back here for dirt and debris to get around. And then it just comes around it and just basically starts sticking to everything. So you almost have to try to get it in and pull it underneath these bars and make sure it gets all the way to the back wall. See that? And then you'll see it just barely covers it right here. That's how you have to get this filter in. Unfortunately it's just a poor design on making sure there's no debris getting past the filter. But that's what it takes. And so if you can imagine the blower wheel in your way, how hard it would be to get this filter in. But it has to get all the way to the back wall there and underneath this bar. Okay.